San top goal scorer in PSG history, 201, the Frenchman.
Well, Su Peng has passed.
French champions moving from left to right on your screen, dressed in white.
And I think it's been a little bit overlooked in all of the previews.
Mbappe, his favorite spot on the left. It's Kylian Mbappe. Musiala. Nonsense clearance by Fun.
3/4 of the game, PSG looked rather not able to be found.
Here's Hexa from Luka. GV's getting away from Hakimi. Stanisic. Aggressive challenge to Kingsley Coman. Messi. At the edge of the...
We'll just see a little bit wobbly in the organisation.
Put the back on paper and plays the shape when they're in defense. Three central Musiala. Finishing approach now from Bayern Musiala. So, this is Messi. Mbappe against Upamecano, and he runs out of real estate. Danilo tries to find his feet. Got it. Collage with Sommer. Whistle is blown.
Oh, another one. Over the top, but with absolute.
It's past the initial challenge. Goretzka. He didn't have a second thought about this shot. It's 4 for Coutinho. This time, as he gets around Matthias de Ligt. Versus, this is Mbappe on his right, heavy touch by Kylian, square back, and passes the wrong side of the post.
Messi's magic.
On wide. Put it in, and Messi. Upamecano. He's slowing down the approach. He ties to the chases. Messi into opposition territory. He's taken down by Goretzka. Comes to referees with Nuno Mendes. Fired in, and there's Matthias back the other way. Good ball. Magic. Choupo-Moting was foot race. And it's Sergio Ramos. Early cross and face. Great ball in there. So he's left well behind. Messi! And nearly finds his feet, making a second chance. Smothered by Jan Sommer.
Tremendous play.
Messi and Hakimi. Dangerous. Musiala! And Donnarumma does well to keep it out. It's the best chance of the match so far from either team. Well, it's Musiala. Second half against Victoria Pilsen in the group stage when they were already leading 4-0. One is fouled by Nuno. Throw driven to the left of Vitinha. It's Messi again, dropped in. Pressure. Real trouble now. Vitinha! Cleared off the line.
And Sommer fills his pants here, and again he goes for the placement instead of striking through the
Lost into the edge of the six and
by the goal.
then looking for Hakimi, and again it's
Saving the bacon. Tremendous defensive play.
on Davies at the edge of the box. It's Alphonso Davies. Magic gets away from Hakimi, squared in. Broken up by Nuno Mendes. Over again to the edge of this, little nervous by his presence. It's over the top for Mbappe. She's got Mbappe alongside.
Wow.
Musiala. Short pitch for the counter. Anticipated the challenge of de Ligt. On by Goretzka. Look at the shoulder interview between those two Davies. Mbappe with his back to goal. It's the scenic route around Upamecano for
Further opportunities as well. Capitalising on the chance from Donnarumma.
Goretzka. To the footsteps of Leo Messi. Blazing a trio forward now. Choupo-Moting. He's down inside the six.
This was the argument for a foul. Nothing there.
Back from Messi. Knocked down for Mbappe with his back to goal. Here from Bayern trying to punctuate it with a goal. Thomas Müller. It's an inviting Müller. Goretzka takes it into his stride. Under control. Does get a corner kick out. Taken back by Thomas Müller. It's in. It's denied by Choupo-Moting. It should be offside this. Choupo-Moting chasing once more. Flipped it into the six. And redirected in by Thomas Müller. of the substitute Bishiabu.
Gets underneath.
Taken back. It's Goretzka on his right. Goal for Choupo-Moting! And this time, no mistake. A self-inflicted wound from Paris. And Bayern to double their aggregate lead.
Kill out of the finish here. Choupo-Moting not making the mistake. And Cool is
Of more. Thomas Muller. Toward the back post, Hakimi. And sees in Swinger. Edge of the six. Ramos! What a save by Sommer.
It's good defending as well on Sergio Ramos because the defending just does each other in those situations. Look out.
Mbappe looking for an immediate response.
Backed. PSG
Sees header. Mbappe with his back to goal. Lovely control and test the
2-goal deficit. Good play.
Mendes trying to get around. Overlap just checked in. Sané. Oh, just desperately touched beyond the reach of Kingsley Coman by Nuno Mendes. In space to deliver across.
Also in the second half.
Here he is now. Kylian Mbappe. TK. Verratti. Tries to rush his path.
Great ball.
North to find Gnabry. The substitute thinking of Gnabry. Perfect counter-attack from Bayern to punctuate the victory.
Gnabry here, smooth as a spoon with the finish. But the springboard counter-attack comes out in